Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished doing a suspension revalve on a set of 2022 GasGas MC250F suspension. The front forks were upgraded to the WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kit, and it was revalved from the baseline setting to the JBI suspension motocross setting. This setting focuses on improving the ride comfort and initial bump feel of the forks while maintaining good holdup during aggressive riding and maintaining that strong bottoming resistance that these WP XACT Pro cartridges have. The WP linkage rear shock was also revalved to a matching JBI suspension motocross spec, and the nitrogen tank was upgraded to the WP bladder kit. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.